Are you intrigued by the idea of making money online in 2024 using a ChatGPT hack? Well, buckle up because in this video, I'm about to unveil the groundbreaking method that can earn you $7 per minute. Yes, you heard that right, $7 per minute. This innovative ChatGPT hack leverages the power of artificial intelligence to generate income like never before. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of using ChatGPT to your advantage, share tips on maximizing your earnings, and discuss the potential of this method to revolutionize the online earning landscape. Tune in till the end to unlock the secrets of this groundbreaking ChatGPT hack and embark on a journey to financial freedom.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills, and we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
Okay, let's break it down. First, head over to Google and search for ChatGPT. Once you find it, hop onto the OpenAI website. Take a good look around to get comfortable with how everything works. Check out what else they have besides ChatGPT. After you've signed up and logged in, start playing around with ChatGPT. It's not just for books. You can use it for all sorts of things. When you ask ChatGPT about book genres, see how many different types there are. You've got adventure, self-help, science, and loads more. This means you can make content that suits lots of different people. Try to think about who you're talking to and pick the genre that matches them best. Now, let's move on to the next step, which involves using Canva. Take some time to check out all the different templates they have for Instagram posts. Canva has a bunch of cool designs you can customize to make your content stand out. Play around with different fonts, colors, and layouts to catch people's eyes. When you're making Instagram posts about the books you're recommending, try to make them personal. Share why you like each book or why you think it's worth checking out. This helps your audience feel like they know you better and makes your recommendations more real. People like content that feels genuine and relatable. Also, try out different ways to get people to act. Instead of just saying, "Get this book for free," think about creating a sense of urgency or making it feel exclusive. Maybe offer a special deal for a limited time or a link that's just for your followers. Testing out different approaches can help you figure out what your audience likes best. Lastly, when you're telling people where to find these free books, give them all the details about the platforms or sources you're using. Show them that these places are easy to use and trustworthy. The more you explain and share, the more people will trust your recommendations and want to engage with your content.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, on to the third important step. Go back to Google and search for the Audible affiliate program. Click on the first website that comes up in the search results. Audible, which is part of Amazon, is a huge platform where you can find tons of audiobooks covering every possible genre you can think of. The wide selection of books you get from ChatGPT is probably all available on Audible too. Let's talk about why the Audible affiliate program is worth looking into. Affiliates like you get $5 every time someone signs up for a free trial using their referral link. It's pretty straightforward. You make $5 whenever someone creates a free Audible account through your link. Plus, new signups get 2 free books when they make their account, which makes it even more appealing. Here's how you can make the most of this. Pick one of the books recommended by ChatGPT and include it in your Canva post. Put your Audible referral link in there too, so people can easily get 2 free books. You earn $5 for each free trial signup, which adds up nicely. While getting an extra $10 for people who upgrade to a paid account is cool, let's focus on getting people to sign up for the free trial for now. Just think about it. If you manage to get 1,000 signups in a month, that's $5,000 in your pocket. What's great about this strategy is that you're not really selling anything. You're just helping people discover Audible. I'll share some tips soon on how to attract lots of people to sign up for Audible without any extra costs. To start, you'll need to create an affiliate account with Audible, which is easy to do. Once you've got your unique affiliate link, you're all set to start earning. Now let's transition to the fourth step, where we'll delve into establishing your presence on Pinterest, a platform that offers immense potential for expanding your reach and connecting with a broader audience. If you haven't already, start by creating a new Pinterest account. Once logged in, let's optimize your profile to align with the theme of promoting Audible books. Navigate to your profile settings and refine your account details to reflect your focus on audiobooks. Utilize keywords and phrases related to your niche in your profile description and board titles. This ensures that your profile is easily discoverable by users interested in similar content. One key feature of Pinterest is the ability to create boards dedicated to specific topics. Consider creating boards that cater to different genres of books or themes related to Audible content. This allows you to appeal to a diverse audience with varied interests, increasing the likelihood of attracting followers. Now, let's shift our attention to engaging with the Pinterest community. Start by finding and following boards and users relevant to your niche. Look for popular boards that share content related to audiobooks, literature, and self-improvement. Engage with these boards by liking, commenting, and repinning content that resonates with your audience. Tailor your pins to highlight the benefits of Audible membership and the value of audiobooks. Include compelling visuals and persuasive copy to capture the attention of potential listeners. Share the Canva posts you created on your Pinterest account. After optimizing your Pinterest profile and engaging with the community, let's take the next step by creating a dedicated pin board to showcase your audiobook recommendations. Begin by navigating to your Pinterest profile and selecting the option to create. Title your board "Get 2 Free Audible Books" to clearly convey its purpose to potential followers. Craft a short, compelling description for your board. Emphasize the convenience, entertainment, and knowledge that audiobooks offer, enticing users to explore your curated selection. Next, it's time to insert your Audible affiliate link into the board. Pinterest allows you to add a destination link to each pin, directing users to your affiliate page when they click on your recommendations. Ensure that your affiliate link is prominently displayed and easily accessible to users interested in exploring Audible's vast library of audiobooks. Once you've completed these steps, click the Publish button to make your audiobook recommendations board live on Pinterest. Congratulations! You've now created a dedicated space to share your favorite audiobooks with your audience and drive traffic to your affiliate links. As you continue to add new pins and engage with the Pinterest community, your board will serve as a valuable resource for audiobook enthusiasts seeking quality recommendations. By leveraging the power of Pinterest, you can effectively promote Audible books to a vast audience of book lovers and audiobook enthusiasts. Remember to stay consistent with your posting schedule and engage with your audience to foster meaningful connections and drive traffic to your affiliate links.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.